So we're live for live stream 420. I think I will be going back. To what served me in the past. Because at the minute, current strats. Oh, goodness me. Graphics card. Yeah. I'm going to have to make a bit of a change. Oh, what's this? Just making a new account. Gosh. Let's see, reset account. Let's see, make it 600k. Okay, so we've made a new account and I'm gonna get it up now. Just give me a second here. So we've got the new account. I think it's our third account of the year so far. So it's not been going great. Slow market. Less than 1 million trade on ES. Let's try to figure this out. So we're interacting with this volume here from this profile. We've had a move up, but we seem to be ranging overall. We're at value area high based on the TPL chart. It's come down, tested VWAP, found support. Oh wow. A more pronounced range on NQ. Pretty clear value area low right there. That has been holding. Outside any significant volume. Wonder if we can play the value area low right here for a move back up. Over on silver, we seem to be holding. What are we doing right here? Seem to be holding VWAP. Retesting the high volume. Let's see if we're rejecting, head back down. Value area low didn't hold there. The very next level we're looking for is down here. I think there was this thing called time something or other. What was it again? Time countdown or something. Time counter. There we go. Oh, okay. Let's go short. Right there. There's our target. Right there. CNQ. No. Let's see silver. Suppose we can get silver in. How you doing, Mr. ETH? But oh gosh, that's a bit of a heavy. Right into VWAP. Right into VWAP. Well, the target's meant to be down here, so let's see if we can get this target right there. How you doing, ETH? What have you been trading today, mate? What have you been trading today? Got this high volume down here. Could be a bit problematic. I certainly would like to take the silver off the table. How's the market's been treating you? Doing pretty good. Just closed a trade, only made 4%, but still first trade of the day. Just a quick scalp. What instrument was you looking at? What instrument was you looking at there, ETH? Let me see. Let's have a look at your favorites. So we got XRP, BTC, the big one. So it seems that we're heading down towards target here on silver, but you never know. So we're at 860, so we're 15. Oh, there we go, through target. Have we been filled? No. Come on, fill us. Too many contracts on, is it? There we go. So we've been filled right there. And we've been filled right there. So, 2 trades at the gate. Winners. Winner, winner, chicken dinner. So with the new account today, we are currently up 174. Let's just talk about those trades. So this trade saw price come down to its VWAP. I wasn't actually here at the time. Price came up, came into this profile. I've got a periodic profile of 30 minutes. Price came up into this high volume. I've got the profile set to row size 95. Came into this high volume here. Saw it set up short, went short. Price came down, hit target. Over on silver, similar scenario. Identify this high volume point here. 30 period volume profile. Well, 30 bar periodic volume profile. Price came into the area, rejected, went short, took profits. Was a bit concerned about the fact that we did have this consolidation around VWAP. Completely ignored it. Trusted this to be more of an issue, and target was hit. Nice job, 2 in a row. So I decided to go back to the old periodic profiles. Also integrated the high volume of the periodic profiles using what you were talking about from Strat 1, like those high volume areas, using those. See if I can get some P&L out the market, because the past couple of sessions have just not been great. Let's see, we're coming down to this. Let's see. Is that the LOD? Is that low of day? Let's see. No. We've had lower price. Oh, wow. Look at that. Huh. I drew this level from yesterday's session. That peak in this volume right here. So I was working at last night after stream, just identifying areas. So I looked at the peak on this periodic profile, drew it across, saw that price came down, found support, rallied. Later on, price came down, traded slightly through it, rallied. Look at this, in the overnight session, price came down, found support, rallied. So, very interesting. Very interesting level. That's exciting volume accumulation setup. Okay. Oh, what's happened there? Let's get back. Let's see. What are we looking for from here? Markets are a little bit slow. Don't seem to be finding buyers in here. Probably the same story on the old. Didn't really find buyers in here. We traded through it all the way down to VWAP. So there is this area right here. Quite a lot of volume being conducted through there. Managed to break down, find support for rallying again. Wonder if we're going to find support down here. Not sure if I'm going to trust it though. No, don't think I'm going to trust it. Rightfully so. How do I make this bigger? How do you make a table bigger? There should be size on here. Where is it? Where is the size? Normal. Huge. Golly. They weren't joking around. We just said huge. Golly. Put it as normal. There we go. Maybe I should change that to the default. Save as default. So we went to the other side of value. Retested the value area low. Some buyers are stepping in. I've been using DOM a little bit more. That has worked as my entry trigger for the trade I took. It's definitely a very nice addition to my chart. Are you trading off the old DOM? That's good, mate. Oh, looks like we found support there at value area low. Huh. Back inside this high volume point. Let's see. Oh, we'll take a road. Maybe that's asking too much. Would need to get through this level all the way up to the other side. All the way up to 28.7. This will be required if I was to take. No, not going to do that. I'll leave it alone. Oh, you're joking. Ah! Golly. Ah. Darn it, darn it, darn it. Look, I was away too long. I was away too long. Look, I drew the box and everything. Golly. Drew the box and everything. Ah, that's where the target is as well. I drew the box and everything. Golly. It came down and it found support. Man. You sound a little more confident today. That's always nice. Wins will do that for you, mate. Yeah, wins will do that for you. A few wins out the gate certainly will boost your confidence, I tell you. A few wins out the gate, your confidence through the roof. Don't worry, the market will come back soon enough. Soon enough. Soon enough. Let's see. Da da da. Da 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 da. It should be there. Okay. Will I get filled? Oh, come on. Let's see. So we came down to 840. Entries down at 38. 8 ticks away. Let's see. Let's wait and see here. Who knows? Maybe this could be the start of giving back some P&L. Who knows? Let's see. So we've gone down to 38. They haven't been filled. There we go. We've been filled. So let's see if we can get up to 80.25 here. This market could, of course, just break down. That is a possibility. That is very much a possibility. Time will tell. Time will certainly tell. So got a bit of accumulation here around the entry. Hoping it can act as a support. We'll see. Let's see. So broke down again through view up here. What are we looking for? Maybe down here. Not sure if I'll trust it though. Well, we're just gonna have an entire market sell. That's the thing. I'm gonna go for a sell across the board. Look at that, came down. Oh, this hasn't been tested. Right down here. Seem to have got a bit of a volume peak right there. It's low volume period though. It's a low volume period. Though people are trying to sell around 350 Bitcoin at the level I shorted. It looks like I just beat them to it. It's that insider trading I keep telling you about. One of these days. You know the meme where someone's like shaking their hand. One of these days. 350 Bitcoin. That's a lot. What is a notional on that? Let's go have a look at that. Oh, not XL. Not fucking XL, man. Son of a gun. Get off. Let's see. We said 350 Bitcoin. What's the current trading price of Bitcoin? 66,410. Maybe it's not that much. That's a notional. 23 million. It's not a ton, but it's not small potatoes. Yeah, this isn't looking great. This is hanging around too much. Not a fan of what it's doing here. Certainly would have preferred for it to pull back, get us in, post bullish. Now it's just far too comfortable down here. Not a fan. Not a fan. Somehow it's getting really comfortable down here. See, we're accumulating volume right here. It's gone up. Didn't like it. Accumulating. Does it want to go and retest and break down? Looks like it. Looks like it. So the question is, do you just get out? That's the question. Do you get out and wait for another setup? That's the question. Could get out for 12. Oh. Where did I get out there? Where did I get out? What did I lose? 20. Not too bad. Let's see if it sets back up inside or if it breaks down. 20 is not bad. Oh, I can't even see my chat. Let's see. People are trying to sell around 350. Let's all wish them luck. Let's all wish them luck. Where are we? Yeah, coming down here. Let's see if this sets up again. Thing is, the buyers that stepped in there, if you've come back so quickly, why would you step in again? What reason is there to step in? So this needs to get down to 97 to be interesting again. Oh, hold on. Do we have a... Let's go have a look at the volume here. Suppose it could aggressively buy. Ooh. It'd be very aggressive. Oh, hold on. Let's go have a look at gold. Let's look at NQ. Let's look at silver. Don't think I identified it quick enough. 365. Don't think I identified it quick enough. Think I'm going to have to give it a miss. Plus we'd have to get through the high volume here. Maybe, just maybe, I'm going to have to give that a miss. Buyer stepping in around VWAP here. on gold. NQ still testing this zone. Let's keep Bitcoin up. Let's see how our friend ETH is doing. Let's see. I'm trying to sell. So ETH is in a short. The young general ETH is in a short. What's silver doing? Ah, silver, silver, silver. Are we surfing? So silver, the target would be right here. 850. So we'll put a target out there. Let's see if it gets there. If anything, that's going to show I should have been more aggressive. I'm just going to have to keep an eye on the old NQ right here. Problem I'm going to have with NQ is we've got this accumulation above us now, which could be a problem for long trades out of this area. Got the accumulation right there. So if we do turn around there, certainly be looking at a short setup possibly. Finding buyers inside the zone here. Let's look at gold. Gold is finding buyers. Silver is flying. Aggression would have paid right here. No, I already won. Oh, fair enough, ETH. Golly, look at this silver. It's going without me. Feeling a bit of FOMO, are you? Silver is GG's. Well played. Look at it go. Looking for that 850. Looking at that 850. Looking at 850. Oh man, almost missed this. Golly, that's too. Ah, the candle. Look at the size of the candle. Son of a gun, man. Eating the range all the way into the high volume point. What an absolute son of a gun. Why couldn't he just give me a small candle right here? A small bullish candle would do me nicely. Small bullish candle. Nice easy target. Instead, it's going to give me a monster. 810 all the way up to 47. That's a huge candle, man. Darn it, darn it, darn it. Okay, let's get involved. Let's get involved. Okay. Let's get involved. Nightmare scenario right here is if this turns around at this high volume point of this currently forming profile. Absolute nightmare scenario. We've also got the... Oh, we've got a new profile. Fuck, it's gonna do me a night. It's gonna do me a nightmare. You son of a... Ah, you son of a gun. You son of a gun. You absolute son of a gun. Look at that. So we've got the high volume here. And that's where we've got some volume accumulated as well. Right at this volume from this profile, even though we've started a new profile. So is this going to turn around off this volume? I wonder if I should think about a short play. It's not quite peak volume of the profile, but it is a bit of a peak. Gotta keep an eye on this over here. Let's see. Is there enough evidence to suggest that this is gonna be the lows? Probably not. If anything, should be focusing on a short retest short to go back down. if anything. Maybe that's a play. Yep. Let's go with that. Let's go with that. Let's see. It's right here. Let's go with that short play off the high volume. We've come up, we've rejected it, so let's see if it plays out. Okay, so there's potentially a short right here off this volume here. And let's see. That's where the target would be. It's not going to follow through then. 13 seconds to go. Yeah, we should probably take it off. Which we did. Guess that volume's not working right there. Oh, you son of a... I guess these markets are trading in conjunction with one another, I guess. Giving back a little bit of profits here. Giving back a little bit of profits. No, that's not what we want to see. Not another bullish candle. Should just take it off. I should take it off. I'll leave it. If I get stopped out, so be it. What is this? That isn't a setup. Again, rejecting again, so let's try this again. Let's go short. Target's down here. Oh, it's building a bloody base. Ah, not good. I need this to go down. Likewise, this over here. Instead, these jokers are building bases. Building bases. Oh, what's that? Bitcoin's just going up. Yeah, this is going up, isn't it? Great. Great. Rejection of lower prices. Gonna be stopped out. Great. So I guess we built the base. Just fantastic. Move how this is breaking down. No setup over there. Let's see. Potentially 66 could be picked up here. Potentially. I think I'm going to add to that. Messed up the average. Knew the risk. Market is hating you right now. Nope, I'm not going to take it personally. Not going to take it personally. The market's doing exactly what it should do. Market's doing exactly what it should do. So I'm expecting this this support here to break down. So that is a big risk I'm taking right here. I'm expecting this support here to break down. It is a big risk. You know, typical market would come up, break this high before breaking down. That'll be some typical market behavior right there. See, come into this accumulation zone and buyers are there. So it should take us out. There we go. Stopped out. Following Bitcoin to the upside. So this trade I got out of, it's going to seem like that was a correct trade. So with prices struggling a bit, we could, oh my gosh, what the hell. So, jeez Louise, everything is not working. Golly. When it rains, it pours. Ha! Another stop out. When it rains, it pours. NQ's, what's that NQ? That is Bitcoin to the upside. It's going to be stopped out here. There we go. Another stop out. Another stop out. I guess this is where the market trades inside. So trading back inside this value area over here. So what we're going to do, rotate to the other side. Is that what the plan is? Despite the lower highs. Here's a plan to rotate to the other side. I wonder. So this is going to get up to the 850. Ah, great. Yep, through the 850. Through the 850. So we know that works. Now, come down, go on the other side of this profile. We'll see if we get a short turnaround at the high volume point here. Might be too long ago though. We'll see. We're all the way up to VWAP. That's in the middle of the session. Thing is, if I was to go long here, now so put my stop there, and I was to go for the value area. If I was to go back inside this value area here, a rotation all the way to the other side would require a move through this high volume point here, which may be the point of control for this session. Let's see where that is. So the TPO is below us. So are we going to get solid as a VWAP? Because if we do, we're going to get stopped out. If we do. Are they going to reject VWAP? Or are we going to get that sharp reversal from that support all the way to the other side of value, navigating through high volume? We will see on the next episode of Complete Amateur Trading. Oh, look at silver. Such a beast. What an absolute beast. So we're heading up towards a high volume. Okay, I'm back. Took another trade, but my Dana test connection crashed. So I just missed it on a ton of information. Basically made nothing. Very irritating. I could imagine. Especially if it's a textbook setup. Oh yeah. So we've attacked the volume here. Yep, volume's been taken. So I don't want to see a rejection here. Don't want to see a rejection. Fuck, it's rejecting. It's rejecting. Darn it, darn it, darn it. It attacked the volume and now it's rejecting. Fuck me. We've not even gone up to volume yet. Darn flarn it. I'm gonna have to give him a Ned Flanders. What instrument did you take? Would you take that on Bitcoin again, mate? ETH. Darn it. This high volume, man. Gotta do volume based. Take profit from the book. Yeah. Right there. Could have been out. Thing is, it's less than 1 to 1. Where did I get in? I got in here. But I'm using an ATR. Jeez Louise. It's gonna come and smack me, isn't it? Yeah. This market's gonna show me what it's about. It's gonna tell me, see, should have took your profit, Sonny. Should have took your profit, Sonny. Should have took your profits. Golly. Yes, BTC. Well. Yeah, gonna be stopped out here. Ran into the high volume and got stuffed. Here we go. There we go. There we go. There we go. Oh, hold on. Ah. Should be short silver here. Let's run into the high volume. Should be short silver. Run into the high volume on this profile back here. So I took a loss when the profits were there. Let's see if we can get a buy out of this area. Let's see. Jeez Louise. Da da da. What do we have? 43 seconds. A lot could happen in that time. I think I'm probably going to be stopped out in that time. We didn't even get to the high volume. $14 seconds to go. Why is it coming all the way down to target by the end of the candle close? Oh my word. Comes all the way down to the flipping stop loss by the end of the candle. Golly. While silver's just hanging around instead of getting to target. What in the world? Need this lower than that. Come the hell on, silver. You're our only hope. This could really fly down, couldn't it? What caused you to start streaming your trading? More habit than anything. I thought if I was streaming, it wasn't because I was profitable, I'll tell you that. Oh, what's that? Was it NFC? NFC. It wasn't because I was profitable, I would definitely say that. It was I don't know actually. I would just start streaming. I think I used to make the videos of just analysis. And then I thought, well, I'll start streaming. Oh, fuck. Come on, man. What is this? Gold falls through the floor and then silver's been held up. Real son of a gun type stuff, man. What's happening here? Yeah, be honest, the stream is just a cover up for massive insider trading ring. How do you think? I'm here contraringly trading, hoping that everybody takes the wrong side like me while the insiders take the opposite. You gotta be kidding me, man. What the hell? You've gotta be kicking rocks. So I buy gold, which goes down to the stop, and in silver doesn't even go down. Instead, it's going up. Jeez Louise. Jeez Louise. Gonna get stopped out over there as well. Get stopped out on gold on a long, and then get stopped out on silver and a short. Shut the front door. Shut the front door. I've been busted. Yeah. Yeah, that's exactly what it is, mate. There are times where I come here and I think to myself, well, whatever I think, just do the opposite. Whatever I think, just do the opposite. the performance would be amazing. So we've rejected, let's just say we rejected that value area low. This peak volume right there. Let's see, that's all the way down here. Let's see if this rejection of upside higher prices can see and move through this value area low right here. Don't understand what's happening on here with silver. Fuck me. Did I get in too early on silver? Technically, you'd be make money if your strategy lost money. I'm a great fade indicator at the moment. Whatever I think, the opposite happens, so. I'm great fader. Anakin's father. The great fader. Who knows? Could be because I'm here trading at lunchtime, who knows? Who knows? Why did I go short here again? Oh, that's right, a rejection of the upside prices. Come on, silver, stop being an ass, man. Head down. Fucking about time. You've been holding back for so fucking long, man. Fuck me. Oh my word. Oh, got to target. Thanks for that. Silver, don't fuck around now. So the default target is 715. Let's put an alert out there because we know silver's a scumbag. We know silver's an absolute scumbag. We know silver's a scumbag. Let's see. Let's do 150. Let's do 153. So we get to we get to default target. Adjust stop down to break even and see if we can get 153. But again, we're dealing with a scumbag, so. Oh wow, what's happening here? So when Q's come down, we managed to get an actual win on gold. Oh fuck, it's pulling back. That means that scumbag over there in silver. Let's see. No, there's nothing I can use to put a trade on. Oh, what's this? A new profile. So we've got a new profile. And that means... Hold on, the point of control is there. Let's put this right here then. Oh, interesting enough, that's where VWAP is. Look at it getting bought back up. Silver's got absolute scumbag, man. Yeah, this is getting stopped out. Suppose this was a setup. We did come down into this volume right here. You know what, I was already in a short, so let's not start thinking about trades of that nature. But fuck. Oh my gosh, it's definitely gonna stop us out. Look at all that bullishness on the old, well, on the old gold. come back so quickly as well. Hold on, why haven't I been stopped out? Oh, there we go. How much slippage am I going to get? Jeez Louise. Good old silver. Good old silver. I can take one more short off this area. And then I'll have to give it up on this area on silver. I'll have to put an X cross through it. Oh. Wow, I could actually go long here. With a fairly tight stop. With a target right here. Based off this high volume area right here. Problem's going to be this volume here. What's this? Okay, I'm back. I just took another small winner up 7.2 on the day. I don't know if these small scalping winners like longer trades more. Huh? I don't know if I like these small scalping winners. I like the longer trades more. I suppose it's whatever fills your boat, mate. When you're out fishing, whatever fills the boat. Yeah, looks like some difficulties here on the old NQ. What is this? Oh, this is gold. Did say we could take one more short trade off this area on silver before we have to quit this area. So we'll see. The area lines up with VWAP, interestingly enough. Okay, so again, from the book into volume, that's where you should put your target. But again, I'm being a greedy son of a gun. And I'm looking for 880.25. So the market should in reality punch me in the face for not taking the profit right here. I think that would be the best thing to happen, actually. But we'll see. Let's see. Gold. Oh, okay. 36 seconds. Silver. Okay. 30 seconds. So got to count down on these two. Let's see. Silver. Jeez. 32,000 contracts. Golly, there's nobody's trading silver. Nobody's trading. No wonder it's been so spotty. High volume, quote unquote, isn't high volume. It's a low volume trading session. Oh shit! I've been waiting for that. Ah, let's go. And let's go. So stop goes there. Target comes all the way down to here. And right there. King. Oh, can't add any more. Not enough funds. Huh. A new account and not enough funds already. What does that tell you? It's been a very hard day in the office. That's what that tells you. It tells you it's been a very hard day in the office. Okay, so Let's put our stop in. Let's put our target in. The target's right there. Hopefully we can get some P&L. Oh, you greedy fucker. See? Just like you said, mate. Take profits at the high volume like it says in the book. Take profits at the high volume like it says in the book. And there's a short setup. Take profits just like it says in the book. At high volume. I did not do that. And I paid a price. A not very good price. Oh, let's see. Let's see. Do I want to... Yeah, let's go with that one. Risking 31. I don't think there's an opportunity to add here. I don't believe there is. I think he's going to reject it. Oh my word, he's accepted it. Like you said, mate, you take profits at the volume like it says in the book, and did not do that. Went for a bigger move. Market turned around. And there we go. There we go. Paid a heavy price. All right, I'm done trading for the day. Well, you're up about 10%. Or you're going to leave at about 7.2. So let's see, ideal scenario, we pick up 130. Yeah, you're the one who told me how bears make money, bulls make money, pigs get slaughtered. I should get the piggy icon out. I really should. Because that's certainly what's happened today. Started up at 174. Kept trading and look where I am now. Look where I am now, little piggy. Little piggy got slaughtered today. What is that? Little piggy. Oh, there we go. Little piggy got slaughtered today. And then Q breaks down. Son of a bun. Didn't take profits. Set up short. Target. Great. Just great. Oh my word. Look at it breaking down. Hopefully it drags these jokers down with it. Oh, almost a target. Fucking son of a gun, man. So 60. Oh, what's that? Low is 785. I've got it at 80. There we go. Come on, fill me. There we go. Oh, that's a long way away, isn't it? Okay, so let's see. Can we get 5007.2? That's what we're looking for here on gold. Gold. Jeez Louise. Not taking profits. Imagine. Oh, wow. Seems we're going to attack the old low of day. Solid performance from you today, ETH. Walking away. Plus 7.2. Walking away at 7.2. So we've gone through the value area low here. And is that the lowest value area? It is. It's the lowest 6 period value. It is this lowest. I wonder if we can get that rotation back inside. Am I being a bit silly here? Or am I being silly? We could say this oil has been auctioned already. Could say the area's been auctioned. We've traded through the session value area low for that 30 period. Gold, you son of a gun, man. Get to the target, man. Get to the target. Oh, hold on a sec. Oh, hold on. We got high volume down here. Right through the... Oh, we didn't come low enough. Didn't come low enough to look at taking a long. Slight problem there. So we came up, tested, VWAP rejected, VWAP. Hold on, if this is going to come back. Oh, hold on. Hold on, is this a rejection of this higher price here? That's been very aggressive, isn't it? It's been very aggressive. Very aggressive. If I take a long here, again, is that being too aggressive? You know what? Let's take it. Let's see. Risking 43. I tell you what, if this candle's bearish, 30 seconds to go. No, that's not really typical of a reversal, is it? Take it off. That candle should not be bearish if it's a reversal. Okay, so this is coming down. What's silver doing? Okay, silver's into this area. Come on. There we go. Feel me. What's going on? Feel me. Come on, I need this. I need this. Give me some positive slippage. There we go. So, still down on the day, but every little helps. Let's see. Over on NQ, what are we doing? So we're going to attack the lower day. You know what? Maybe I shouldn't use value areas. Maybe I should just use high volume. Maybe that's what I should predicate the old strat on. So the thing is, with gold here, there is a big window all the way down to 97.7. So there is certainly room to the downside. Let's see. Certainly a lot more room. So we've come up to the VWAP here. You can clearly see we rejected and pulled away from the VWAP, which is in the middle of the session. Piggy. Yeah, you should have a whole profile, not just a value area. I don't like the entire profiles, to be honest with you, mate. It's just too much information, because we're going to have the, say for example, this one, it's going to have the extent of the value all the way up here. And the charts are going to be very congested. Very congested. See, there's nothing here till we get all the way down here. Nice on gold. Why would anybody buy here? Okay, so let's assume we're going to attack the lower day. Can you even have more than one saved? No. Guess it doesn't allow you to. Is the volume... How do I even get the profile back? No, I'm not going to do... Oh, what's that? Another alert. What's happened? Let's have a look. Silver's such a tricky thing. Where is the volume on this profile? Let's see. Got some volume around here. You're joking. You are joking. It's all the way down there. Anyway, let's see. Let's see here. We've got 14 seconds to make a decision. Without gold getting to support, it's very difficult to buy. It becomes increasingly difficult to buy silver. It's a decent price. Let's buy it. I guess it can't have been that good of a price, can it? Just add it. If it wants to reverse without taking out the lows, then we want to be involved. Or we could just pay the penalty. Or we'll pay the penalty. Oh, hold on. Oh, no, no, no. It should just take me out. What's it doing? Take me out for 51. Come on. Yep, there we go. There's certainly room to the downside on gold. So Bitcoin's coming back. Where are we? Still battling away in our account. See? Still room to the downside. Hold on. Let's see. You should have the whole profile. There can be a large, high volume node which aren't in the value area. It's okay. You don't like it. It's just volume. Be a good idea to see it. A large volume node inside. Oh, accumulate across multiple profiles. Alright, I'm going to skedaddle. Have a laundry to do. Okay. Thanks for stopping by, ETH. As always. And I'll see you tomorrow, mate. Well, if you're around. I certainly will be. Yeah, thanks for having me. Good luck trading, sir. If you're streaming from 10:12 my time, won't be able to make it to the stream. No problemo, mate. 10:12. What is that? Oh, yeah, I'll be streaming later than that. Because of my job, I'll definitely be streaming later than that. This mark is just accumulation down. Seems like he just wants to fall down. It seems like he wants to fall down. He's just a bit cautious about doing it. Okay. It's going to go attack a lower day here. It's going to attack lower day. Seeing the move down, seeing the fall in volume may suggest that this market wants to pop. To what extent, though, we don't know. We don't know. 68. What are you doing, bud? It's a very aggressive. Very aggressive. Long. Well, we're risking 765. 801.75. 801.75. 802.25. Yeah, I shouldn't be coming back. Should not be coming back. The buyer should have just drove that straight up. Their inability to hold higher prices is concerning. We should probably suggest this is going to go break lower day. They're having a fight. So we had a fall in volume. No, they're not winning. They're not winning. I just need it to pop. Just a pop up to 802. See, someone keeps selling this down. I wonder if we're going to get to the point of control, then drop. Be interesting. Would be interesting. Testing higher, but the sellers are still there. They are still there. Okay, let's see if we can get this pop. Ooh, hello. I don't think I can buy. Oh, I can buy. Hold on a second. You should be short, you joker. That's what you should be doing. Should be short, you joker. Move back into high volume. You look for shorts, son. That's what you do. You go back into high volume. You post a negative. You look for shorts. Jeez Louise. It's gonna stop me out. Great. Great. Oh, this has got up to that level. Okay. So I should adjust stop to break even here. And the reason being, let's see, so let's put an alert right there. And we'll take that and we'll put an alert right there. We adjust that and an alert right there and an alert right there. Come on, Silver. Let's go, son. Let's go. Let's go, son. Why is it saying only 18? Why does it retrace that much? Come on, son. Let's not do this. We went all the way down to 480. Damn it. Target's down at 425. Why would you do that? Now it's saying it's back at break even. Son of a gun, man. What a son of a gun. That must mean it's like a huge... why is this not moving around? Has this thing crashed? What's going on? What is going on? Okay. See, we have the volume at the top here. Someone keeps selling this joker as it's going up. I need to get out of the way. I want to say move. Get out the way. Look at these things come back to break even after being within a fraction of target. Lowest 480, target's down at 425. Son of a gun, man. It's retraced, what? 24 ticks, man. Let's go, man. Let's go. So with this, that will take me up to 400 if we get to target. And so I guess not. I guess not. I guess it's going to be a stop out. Fuck. Jeez Louise. I guess not. And we're out. O-U-T. O-U-T. No point having this alert on here. So we've got this alert area and this alert area. Oh, come on. Got to 713. Okay. What? Oh, look at that. Jeez Louise. The initial trade I took was long on the move back inside the value area for the rotation. But what does that mean? 24,879. That's not possible. There's no way that's possible. Oh wow. Okay, what does that put our account? Probably should take some profit, shouldn't I? But what if this is the lower day? Are we going to go full rotation? Should I not wait for a move to the higher day? Or is that greed? Greed. If we get to 34, do I adjust my stop to 24? Which will then lock in. Yeah, we'll do that. We hit this 34.50, adjusting my stop to the high there. Yeah. Locking in 67. It's a bit of a high volume point we could turn around from here. If this market wants to go up, then so be it. I certainly will take the profits. Let's see, silver. Oh, what's this? 14 seconds. Hold on. Oh, darn it. Oh my gosh. That is horrible. That is garbage, man. That is pure and utter garbage. Pure and utter garbage. Oh, that is garbage. Garbage. Jeez Louise. Yeesh. Yeesh. Let's hit it again. Oh. So, went short as we came into this. Oh, I shouldn't even be using this area. Fuck. I should be using this one, not this one. Jeez. Problem. Houston, we've got a problem. Should have been using this most recent one. Market order execute silver. What the fuck was that? Yep, Houston, we've got a problem. Houston, we got a problem. Oh, we've been stopped out on a pullback here. Ooh, hold on. We came into this high volume area. Yeah, we could take a short here. Oh my gosh, when are you going to fill us, man? Fuck me, man. Jeez Louise. It's all the way down here. Shit. You're going to fill us today, man? Fuck me. Okay. Damn, high volume right there. Fuck. Oh, not going to be able to load up. So we've come into this high volume. This could turn around and punch us in the face. We've seen it do it already today. Do we take profits? That's a question. I'm going to go for the whole. I'm going to go for the full whack. I'm going to go for my full take profit. Oh, you fucking me. This has come all the way down there as well. Jeez Louise. These two markets turn around. I could be in for some serious trouble. Okay, so we've got as low as 77.25. Targets down at 72.50. Traded in the 90s. 94s. Yeah, I'm just going to add. Oh, that's messed up the average a bit. That has messed up the average a bit. Again, should be looking to take profits here at the 85s, but I'm going to look for this ATR target here, even though it's below volume. Could end up paying for this. Could end up paying a very big price here. A very big price. Should be taking profits at this high volume. This volume area here. Could pay a big, big price. Especially with that poor ad bringing down the average. It means we're risking 171. Jeez Louise, this is back up at break even. Me. Okay, made new lows there. That's a good sign. Certainly struggling around the high volume here. 75.50, targets down at 72.50. Gone lower, tested at 72.50, got to 72.25. There we go, target's been filled right there. Still looking to see what we can do over here on the silver. Hopefully we can see a breakdown here. Looking for this breakdown in silver. Seeing the VIX go to the upside, so VIX is currently trading above 20, is it? Yeah. Certainly suggesting quite a fair bit of volatility. I know what we're looking at on gold. No setups on gold. It's just been on silver and NQ. I don't want to load back up in silver here. It's been such a interesting instrument, let's just say that. I've got the target sitting around these lows. What could we do here? Almost at break even if we get to target here. Almost at break even. At one point we were up 174 today. So they'll continue to trade. Been at charts an hour and 42 minutes. Golly. Let's go look at NQ. Tap the lower day. Made new lows on the day. Solid. Let's see. Making new lows. Let's have a look at our friends at silver. Come on, let's go. Come on, NQ. Let's drag silver with us. Let's drag silver with us. Oh, my bad. Silver's not going to make this easy. $480. Okay. I'll tell you what. 480. Let's see if we get to 500. I'm trailing my stop down. Try and pick up a minimum of 60. I'm not interested in playing around with this market right now. If we take 60, that still takes us pretty close to break even on the day. Fuck me. No. No. Oh, rabbits. Rabbits. Raw beats. So we've tested lower day. Traded through lower day. Put in a strong bullish candle. Darn it, darn it, darn it. Darn it, darn it, darn it, darn it, darn it. Seeing the buyback on the old NQ. It's resulting in buy in silver. Oh, gosh. Okay. Are we going to say the low of day is going to act as support? This is coming back. Are we going to try and say the low of day is going to act as support? Higher value into the low of day. Seeing some buyers step in. You know what? Let's go. Oh my gosh, 104. You are joking. Oh, you are joking. That's a flipping huge, 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 huge risk. Huge risk. Let's see. 80175. 80175. Put it at 80150. 80150 gets hit. We're adjusting our stop to break even. Oof. Oof. Look at that. Goodness me. Come on, my friend. 96. Oh, yeah. Let's go. You know what? I'm going to take that to break even. We got to 97. 4 points from the 80175. Let's go. Let's go. Love for this to break down and that to get to target. I don't think the two can be true. Ah. Oh, son of a gun. Son of a gun. Bam. Break even. If this goes and breaks a lower day, then that would have been a great break even. If it goes all the way up to that 80150 and then also up to the, what was we looking at? 24. That's going to be a bad stop out, but again, so there's a lot more to it. A lot more to it. 550. Come on, let's go. Let's get down to this 500 here on silver. Oh, just had an alert go off. What alert was that? What was that? Let's see. Okay. Into a high volume area here on gold. Okay, high volume area. Let's see. Down to 540. Come on, let's get down to this 500 here. Silver's fucking holding up, man. Son of a... Getting alerts trigger. Building volume here. Let's see. Over the lights. So our buyers are coming back, man. I wonder if I was a bit aggressive on the stop. Didn't like the risk being so close to break even. Again, we're seeing buyers step in here. Seeing volume accumulated around the low of day. Making new lows right there on gold. Where are you, silver, man? Let's get to the... Fuck! Oh my gosh. What in the... Man, silver. Fuck me, man. Gold is going down and you're fucking rallying. You son of a... You son of a... Oh. Son of a fucking gun, man. Low of day. The lot. Low of day reverse is going to get me. Is that what's going to happen? Is the low of day reverse going to get me? Yep, there it goes through that 80150. If it gets to that 82450, that would have been 20, potentially 200, 550. Come on, let's go. Let's fucking go, man. Yes, man. Through the target. Fantastic. 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 Okay, so we had a bullish candle posted right there. Let's go. We're gonna be aggressive here. We're gonna be really aggressive here. 504.6. 504.6. Let's see. 504.6. And let's go with 27. So 99.4. 99. 99.6 or some shit. I think that's what it was. 99.6. It shouldn't be a bearish candle. Take that off. Shouldn't be bearish. Come on. Come on. Make me lose about 4. Come on. There we go. Shouldn't be reversing like that. There we go. All the way down into this level. So currently about 14 off break even. After that small loss over there. Lost 10. Ooh, 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 ooh. Darn it. It's coming back too fucking strong, man. Darn it, darn it, darn it. I'm not gonna be able to get in. Ooh, what's going on here? Ah, it's come back again. Let's see. Let's see. 22. $39. I keep getting these alerts, man. What the f are these alerts? It's this thing here. Golly, the low of day, man. Jeez Louise. We're about to hit that. That is too big a window, man. Shit. Look at that. All the way down to the 400. Now we're up at 605s. Son of a man. Can't fucking take this because of it. I cannot take it. It's come up too much. It's come up too much. Too fucking much, man. Too much, too much, too much, too much. So we got 44. Let's see. What's this about? 5022 or something like that. If we get to that, just stop to break even. No, just accept the risk. Accept the risk. Let's see. This thing here. Real Groot. A real Groot. That 800 seems to be a bastard, man. Oh, look at this fucking thing, man. Ooh, what a brute. Let's see. Gold. Ooh, 502. Let's go have a look at that. Ooh. Oh, come on. Why are you going to pull back from that 5022, man? Oh, okay. So we could be aggressive. It'd be trading scared. It would be trading scared to adjust stop to break even, because that wouldn't be part of the trading plan. We would be trading a little bit scared, similar to what we did over here on NQ. But you never know. Sometimes trading scared is the right thing, because the market's not doing what you need it to do. Let's see. So we got 32.4. I want to see it get up to 44 and then adjust my stop to break even. At that point, I don't think it should come back, but you never know. You never know. So that's 500. Let's make sure we get it right. 505.3. 505.3. Let's see. Should we? Oh, yeah. Should adjust stop to break even, right? 505.4. I shouldn't really, but I'm gonna do it. If I get stopped out, so be it. I shouldn't, but let's see. Hopefully the breakout can continue here. Can accumulate some P&L. Currently have some overlapping profiles, so that's not interesting. Ooh, currently rejecting. That's not interesting because of this profile here is just an absolute. It's too much volume has been conducted in this area. It's not a great distribution. So I'm not going to be taking that. I'm not going to be taking that. Halfway to target's going to be there. 3/4 is going to be there. So fingers crossed. Let's see. Hopefully we can pick up 80, which will bring us up to 660. And that would help us on our way. So that will certainly help us on our way. Because before we started, what were we? 107.74. Shouldn't be trading P&L, but I'm human, right? I am human after all. No. Too much excitement in going down here. Yeah, too much excitement. Too much excitement. This short up here would have worked, it seems. Who knows, maybe it'll give me a better setup for the long. What is a long gonna work after 1-2 attempts? Is it gonna work after 2 attempts? Unsure. So we lost, didn't lose that much, but we still lost on that trade. This trade over here. Loss again. Rejected. New profile. Seems like the volume right here is at the 785s. Okay. Let's figure this out. So if the new volume's at 785, we track between 785 and lower day. Between 785 and lower day. So interesting. Interesting. Why don't we have a new profile over here? I'm only human after all. Mm. Hmm. Let's see. Peak. Let's see. So if we get stuffed here, do we go and break the lower day? That's the question. Do we get stuff and break the lower day? Is there a scenario? It seems like gold is going down. Is there a scenario where we break down? Or we break down? The rejection of the volume. But the problem is the potential support at lower day. That's the question. Let's go. Let's go. It's gonna be, oh my word, that's a lot more risk than I thought. That's a lot more risk than I thought. There's a lot more risk than I thought. Oh, you took the risk, so just accept it. Just accept it. If you're scared, go home. If you are scared, go home. S1. This one's still going up. This one's still going up. Still testing. Oh wow, it's down at the lower day. The target. Sure. Good luck with that, bud. That's a high volume lower day as well. This could be higher low. And this could be about to pop. No, that's not doing what I needed to do. Need to see a breakdown. Instead, retesting volume. Not good. Not good. Not good. There we go. Not good. Further away. Further away from break even. So retested volume there. Retested volume, struggled. So are we heading back down to the lows? Oof, that's a lot of vol. It's a lot of vol. Seeing a fair amount of volatility here. Volume. Okay. Oof. Oof. Oh my gosh. That slippage is nasty. That slippage is nasty. Oh my gosh. That's what trading low volume markets about. Golly. Clear the whole order book. Oh my word. I cleared the whole order book. That's not good. That is not good. Not good. Not good. Oh no. That's not good either. Oh no. Not good. Not good. This is not good. Oh, hold on. Flipping out. Okay. Okay. Let's see. Let's see. Hopefully I can offset some of the losses. Hopefully. Charlie. Oh my word. Yeah. That long right there was the long. That long after lower day was the long. It was the long. It was the long. Ah, okay. So potentially losing 39. And if this gets down to target 66. The thing is, they both don't trade the same. That's the problem. That is the problem. Golly, should have kept that long, man. Stop loss executed. Silver. Jeez. Sure. Come on, take profit on gold. Golly, should have. Shoulda, woulda, coulda, right? Should have, would have, could have. Should have, would have, could have. No, I can't keep doing that. Nope, nope, nope. We're not doing that. Why is this thing in green? I don't understand that. Whatever. There we go. There we go. So we're going to get that. Take profit here. We traded through it. Trade to 105. So this 48 will take us up to 412. Still need another 200. Still would need another 200. Your multiple levels right there. Oh, I need to make sure my phone is not on Do Not Disturb, because I'm expecting a delivery. Let's see, so we got that level right there. Oh, you fucking gotta be fucking kidding me, man. What the fuck is going on? What the hell is going on? How's it gonna get through my target and come back? Great, 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 great. So take profit was executed there. Okay. Okie dokie. So heading to the upside. Heading to the upside. Let's put it there like that. The accumulation zone right there. So I'm down 162. Down 162. Watching silver go. Silver did exactly what I needed to. I just didn't trust it to go as high. Still not even cleared a million on. Yes. Very slow market. Ah, goodness me. The irony. Hold on. So gold is not quite ready. What's silver doing? can't trade silver, man. What the hell? You can't do that. Oh my gosh. Oh my fucking knife. You son of a you son of a ain't gone, man. You son of a ain't gone. Jeez Louise. Jeez Louise. Oh my word. Oh my word. Golly. Problem's gonna be is this could be seen as support. Not really. Hmm. Look at this crap now. All the way in the high volume. Hello there, Susanna. Hello there, Susanna. Building a nice accumulation here. Golly. While I was there hesitating around. Charlie. While I was hesitating around. Then again, he had low volume, so I'm not going to beat myself up too much. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Golly, there it is. Would have been a huge trade. A day-defying trade. And it just didn't work. I talked myself out of it. Okay. Look at this. Look at ish. Wow. Wow. I thought about holding the trade to have a huge day. And the irony. The irony. See, this profile's just too thin. Profile's too thin. Golly. Had a great price. Absolutely fantastic price. Got stopped out for break even. Absolutely fantastic price. Okay, so let's see. We broke out. No, no, no. £118. 118 points to break even. Does this market want to do that? Fuck me, man. Is it really going to give me a short setup into the volume, then go higher? Sure. Imagine. Imagine if it does. Imagine if it does. That would be peak irony. Oh, no, 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 no. Peak irony. I need this to get down to here. But the problem's going to be this area. Could act as a support. Right in here could act as support. These profiles are thin. Gold is going up. Starting to get bought back up already. I'll tell you what, I see a bullish candle here above the entry price. I'm just gonna get out. Fuck. It's just not working. That long down the bottom was the right thing. The long down the bottom was the right thing. Shorts have had their day. Look at gold. Gold is just moving higher. Could get out for 24. Could lose just 45. Let's make it around 50. You know what? There's no point. If you've got a strategy, use it. Look at this. These are just getting bought up. These are getting bought up. You know what? Let's not wait for NQ. They all seem to be part of the same club. They all seem to be part of the same club. All seem to be part of the same club. I'm going to call it a day. This is just reversing. Hold on, that'll be what, 80? Yeah, this is just going to the upside. I'm going to call it there. So today lost 204, 8 to 720. So with that said, thanks for watching. Good luck trading.